Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your stats on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and here you can check your statistics, your games, and the draw, block and authors stats. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.